Sometimes you have to run into a front line, even though your brain is screaming, don't go. Dismounted from armoured Humvees, in this sniper-filled battle space, there is no choice. Inside, the soldiers are launching a bomb-laden drone. They found an Islamic State cell, but everyone keeps clear. The bomblets can fall off. We watch in the command vehicle, then everything goes wrong. There are shouts and people run. I jump inside.
What?
You okay?
You okay?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You okay?
Hey, Habibi. We should go.
You ready on that? Okay, give me a cut on that. Yeah. Well, enormous explosion has just come down. I think it was a mortar's just landed in between us. As you can see, the whole place is covered in smoke.
This is the bomb from Islamic State's own drone pictures released on social media. It is chaotic, everyone is dazed, but we are being attacked still. The whizzing is incoming. Through the smoke, the walking wounded come, looking for help. It's relentless. Twice we have to move. Each time it gets worse. And panic spreads.
Go.
We run again, looking for safety, not expecting any. Hiding in ruins. Above us, helicopter gunships pound the streets we had stood in only minutes before. You worry they'll hit you.
There's a huge fight going on now. There's certainly snipers in the street. There's incoming rounds and outgoing all the time. Soldiers trying to control this, but we're basically hiding in rubble now, trying to find a way to get out of here. But at the moment it's impossible to move. There's just too much action taking place.
We can't stay any longer and we have to get out. Another terrifying run across open land with snipers looking down. And a pause to work out where to go next.
This is turning out a very old, long day indeed. We've had to scout our way around. We're now trying to actually get back to the soldiers. They don't even know who we are. One group from a different unit told us to go away, so now we're trying to get through to the guys that we were with originally, but of course they've just been hit by this huge suicide bomb, so it's chaos.
Then the street. It's burning still. A tank and Humvee's gone. We were saved by a bulldozer that had parked next to us. In this chaos, there is only one way out. So we start again. A day of running, because sometimes you have to run. Stuart Ramsey, Sky News, West Mosul.